Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we have to repair a creaking noise that I hear from the crankset. The most common problem is a problem with the bottom bracket. You need to remove the bottom bracket and re-grease everything. So let's start doing this. Tools that we will need at first is this special tool, which is the tool to remove this plastic bolt here. We do like this. It's very simple. Just don't forget, put it somewhere not to forget it. Everything that we remove, we have to clean it and re-grease it again. Okay, we removed this plastic bolt. Now we have to remove this bolt and the other one from the other side. We need a 5mm Allen wrench. So this is it. Be careful. And from the other side. Okay. The one is off and the other one from downside. There are some dirty inside here. We will clean everything. No worries. Now there is a plastic part here. You have to remove it like that. Very good. Now it is open. Okay, and now we have to remove the left hand side crank. Slowly try to remove it. Very simple. Up and down, and this will go out very easily. You see? Very nice. We will clean everything. Now we have to remove the chain from the crankset. I will push a bit from here and that's it. So the crankset is out, and here is also the dust cover of the bottom bracket. We will clean everything outside to be very clean like new. And now we will remove also this seal, okay, and we will remove the bottom bracket. Be careful at each bottom bracket. You see from which side you tighten, from which side you are loosening it. So from this side, clockwise, is tightening. Okay. From the other side, it's opposite. So now I have to untighten the bottom bracket. So we have to turn unclockwise. This is the tool. It's this one is T47. So you put the tool here and you turn unclockwise. One small tip from me is that you can use a small nylon at the tool like that, so you will not scratch your frame. So I do this all the time, and I keep my frame safe. This is the one side. Now we will remove also the other side. As I told you, the right hand side of the bottom bracket is tightened unclockwise. So because we want to untighten this, we have to turn this clockwise. Here you can see that this side was more loose, the other side was more difficult on loosening. So probably the problem was here, this side needed more tightening. But now that we take this out, we will make all the maintenance that we have to do, because the maintenance of the bottom bracket is something that you have to do once per year or something like this. So we will clean everything here. I will do the same from the other side. I will clean here with a special wet wipe to remove any dirt here. Okay. And when it will dry up a bit, I will apply the special grease. Now I have cleaned everything, and now we are about here. I cleaned also this area, and I will put a special tight grease here. I will apply this like that, and this will make very tight the bottom bracket, so that if there is any creaking noise, this will be disappeared. After applying the grease, be sure to clean any excess grease from here with a wet wipe, so everything will be fine, like that. And now we are ready to start installing the bottom bracket. So this is the left hand side. You can see here, left hand cap, you see here. Okay, so this is from the left hand side of the bike. You go like that inside. Okay, and tighten is like this way, clockwise. So we have to turn it like that. And when it's getting more tight, you can take the tool and before you over tighten this, you have to go from the other side and check that everything is going smoothly, and install the right hand side. And here are at the right hand side, we check that everything is okay, that the spacer is at the middle, like that, and we continue tightening. Okay, very nice, very tight. And now we will continue from the other side. Okay, it's hand tight, but now we have to put the 35 Newton meters torque at the torque wrench. We will put here again. Don't forget that you have to change the rotation of the torque wrench, because now we are from the other side. Very nice, so we will start installing the crankset. Now we have to grease some parts before installing. One part is here at the crankset, and here, and inside for the plastic screw. Use your finger to apply everywhere, here, here, Okay, so this ensures that everything is running smoothly and also water is not getting inside your frame. Don't forget to grease here this is the dust cover of the bearing. Put some grease here from both sides and install this on the bike. You will just press this inside. Some grease also here at the screws. Very nice. Very nice. It's running smoothly. Before we install, don't forget to put the gasket here. Very nice. Here we have grease, so we are ready to install this. Very well. Now we can install the plastic tab here. Now is the time for this plastic part. We have to install this like that. We will install the re-greased screw, 5mm Allen screw. We press this inside and we install the second screw. Okay, and we have to tighten this now. Let's clean our hands and the bike here. Now we have to tighten at the correct torque. This is 13 Newton meters of torque. Don't forget that these two screws have to be rechecked after 100 kilometers because all the torque is going here, so maybe you have some problems. So check this after 100 kilometers again and retighten to 13 Newton meters of torque. I hope you like the video. I hope I fixed the problem. So don't forget, subscribe, like, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. And now I'm out for a ride. The problem is solved. So this was the problem. I showed you the instructions how to solve this. So thanks for watching. Safe rides.